We got a Maytag here, and I had posted this particular setting, but someone asked me additional questions, so I'm gonna go into a little more details here. Technician section, we have to press this button, and then the other, and we're gonna do this 3 times. Well, it looks like I had to do it 4th time. Feel is to exit. This particular one here is to actually enter. So it's indicating that this section is for the technician. Now, once I select this, I'm already inside. Service settings, and we have a total of 6. Factory diagnostics, and we're gonna use the extra rinse, and we're gonna use the remote enable to go back. So clockwise, counterclockwise. So we're gonna select one of them. We got system information, fault history, service diagnostics, demo mode. So right now the demo mode is off. You can go ahead and exit by pressing the default again. If we continue, it'll probably take us to the number 1, which is on the number 1. So factory diagnostics. Let's go to the other one, system information. Now on system information, once we select it, okay, and you're gonna use this for your selection, it's gonna give you information about your washer. So, and it's giving us the actual model number, MB W6230HW2. Now, to skip that and go back, we're gonna use the dip field. Now we already gone back again. Now we can go into a different setting. We can go into system information, fault history, service diagnostics. So on service diagnostics, all we got to do is select again. So let's go ahead and select service diagnostics. Now it's taking us to different tests. When you enter the service diagnostics, it's going to give you 1 out of 4. Now on here, you do exactly the same thing. Component activation, sensor feedback, and diagnostic cycle. Now, so you can actually run cycles. Now, so when we go ahead and hit back again. So we come back again, we do that again, and it's taking us out completely to the exit. And there's actually a reset. I didn't get into that side, but let's go ahead and just do it all over again. And let me show you how to actually set up, reset the machine. So we've entered already. Demo mode off, exit service mode, factory diagnostics. Let's see. Factory cycle, calibration, factory calibration cycle, factory reset. So now all we got to do is reset it, select the delay start. That will reset your entire washer. Just that's a completely factory reset.